Have you ever wanted to learn hardware reverse engineering but didn't know where to start, which tool to get, or were intimidated by the steep learning curve? Or maybe you know the basics but don't know how to level up your skills. Perhaps you teach hardware auditing and can find targets that are flexible, economical, and progressive. Meet Project Reboot. It's a robot friend that's had a rather bad day. A crash during its last run corrupted its critical systems. Its core is online, but its sensors, its voice, its memory, and its ability to communicate are offline. It needs a brave engineer, that's you, to help bring it back online. Step by step, you'll debug each system, progressively collecting clues, fixing the problems, and finally, restoring full functionality. As you restore each system, you'll learn real-world hardware reverse engineering skills. Serial debugging, file system inspection, sniffing sensor traffic, memory dumping, Bluetooth inspection, firmware reversing, and much more. Each challenge has 2 versions, normal mode and hard mode, 8 challenges in total. To help you, Lab for One has written a complete workthrough, taking you through everything you need to know: theory, techniques, approaches, software, and comments. If you get stuck, there's ample tips to help you through each section. You'll get full knowledge, the right amount of challenge, but never frustrated or completely lost. If you're new to hardware pen testing, you can get the Project Reboot Complete Kit, which contains all the tools, accessories, wires, and gizmos that you need to solve the challenges. These are real tools. They'll form the base of your auditing toolkit for years to come. Learning hardware hacking doesn't have to be frustrating, expensive, or difficult to start. With Project Reboot, learn how hardware, firmware, and software interact in a frustration-free, fun, and economical way. Get your kit today exclusively at lab41.com.